Hi there, in this video I will continue the last part of the project. So we create a new sheet, question 7, and we take the insurance type, put it in the rows, and then we take the date of sale and we drag it to the column section, and in the format column here you make it by quarter, not by year, and by doing this you can tell the sales of each type of product throughout the year, and you see which one is selling throughout the year and which one is seasonal. In the next sheet, you take the same table and you try to visualize it by going here on the right side. You see show me menu. If you put the bar, then it will take you to the bar section, and we put the sales, the insurance type into the color, and then drag the color plate and put the label for each one of them. And by doing this, it can show you the sales quarterly. And the next question, we try to analyze the sales by the salespeople. So we create a table that shows the region, the state, the salesperson, and the sales amount, which we drag it here. And this can tell you the leading person in sales in every state and every region. And we try to visualize this one by going here the same table, but we go for show me option and we try to make it by bars. And we go for the salesperson, put it in color to show them by color, and the label, and we move the color pane into the left side, and this can tell you that, for example, the leading person among all the team is Fred and the poorest one is Paul. So this shows you the analysis by sales team. In the next requirement, we try to make the sales by state type. And here we see the type of product in every state. We take the state type here into filter, where we can analyze the product one by one. So for example, we take home insurance only for all the states. And this can show you here also home. This can show you that the leading state for the home insurance here is Delaware, and the poorest one is Connecticut. And you can do the same thing graphically by highlighting the sales, the state type here, and go for home. And then you show it graphically. So for example, it can show you here that the leading one is Delaware and the poorest one is Connecticut. And then you can do it for the other types. So one time is auto, one time is professional, disability, and so on. In the last requirement, we try to create a map that show all the states along with their sales and contribution margin ratio. So we create a table where you see here the region, state, sales, and contribution margin ratio. And for the map, you can tell here on the left side there is longitude, we put it in column, latitude, we put it in rows, and then we drag the sales and the contribution margin and we put them here in label. And this can show you here the sales of every state along with the contribution margin. Once we finish the 10 requirements, we need to build up our story based on our analysis. So we create a new dashboard. So you remember we created one dashboard here to show all the errors. We make another one and we call it conclusion. And when you open up the dashboard, you can see it has all the sheets we created so far. I dragged number 2 and I put it here. And then I create a text box by clicking on text. And we need to start writing a brief paragraph about our conclusion for the second question. And you do the same for the third question. And remember to do this for every question. So in the conclusion part, I want to read your conclusion in every question. However, for questions 4, 5, and 6, we talk about contribution margin ratio. So you can make one conclusion for those 3 questions together. Otherwise, I would like to see your finding in each one of them. So this is to conclude the work in the project. I hope you find these videos are useful. I'm going to send you the project handout along with the grading rubric very soon. I will also send you the data set that you need to use it for the project very soon. And the project due date will be good enough for you to work on the project. Please go through the videos time and again, and if you need any help, send me an email and we can talk together. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.